looking from the perspective of providing good customer service to the people where they are going to be satisfied overall with the product and your service as well, will make difference to them and money-wise as well.
Of course.
I think if we think about money too much as of making money only, you might gonna be able to, make money, of course, but then it's not gonna get you nowhere.
Right. I agree with that. So you need to serve the people well, you need to make people happy, they recommend other people.
Right.
That's true. However, you need to look at the money, like in the business, it's like when you look at the food, what you eat every day, it's the business, is the money. Like you look at the money, where does the money go? Where does it come from? Where does it leave? Because just because you offer a good product and a good service doesn't mean you're going to be profitable. You know what I mean? Like even though you have, like, you can have the best offer and the best service. Like for example, if I do like real good coaching, right, and I coach as many people as I can every day, but if I don't get paid enough, then it doesn't work as well, right? So
right, but the question is, if you're a good coach, why not being paid enough?
that's a different story, because you need to get in front of people. You need to make the people aware that you're a good coach before you start. You need to have trust before that, and all of that takes some energy.
Right.
But for example, physical products, right? So some of the products that we sell, great products. People love them. People are very happy with it.
Right.
We put little gifts in it. We make nice packaging. We take very good care of the quality. We visit the suppliers. We do a lot of kind of relationship management and stuff like this there. But it doesn't mean we're profitable. For example, for some in Spain, we're losing money at the moment, and that's just because there's the product costs money, the advertisement costs money, converting people on the creation of the page, all of that is money, right? So if we're not very carefully looking at the money, like how much do we spend with the supplier, how much do we spend on advertisement, is there another better way to do it, is it better to spend more money on it or take more time? We have fixed costs as well. We need to support the office and salaries and that kind of stuff, right? So all of that kind of plays into it. So the money is really important.
It is.